today, if you speak to, asset managers, wealth managers, regulators, and different organizations like PRI, the way that sustainable investment strategies are being kind of broken down, you have four main sub-strategies. You have exclusion or exclusionary. So that's when you would typically exclude, say, fossil fuels, tobacco, et cetera, from your investment universe. So you will exclude whatever, sectors you feel will not help you in your transition or based on certain values that you have. So that's number one. Number two is what we call ESG integration. And that's when you will start to look at ESG as part of risks and opportunities in your investment process. And so for us at BNP, that's the first step of what we would consider sustainable. It's like one step towards net zero and decarbonization. And if you move along that curve, you have what we call thematic investment strategies. So here you're really looking at investment strategies that will be looking to address one of the 17 SDGs. So climate, for instance, sustainable agriculture, food, et cetera. And then we have what we call impact investment strategies. So here you're looking really to achieve a measurable impact. So it has to be intentional, it has to be measurable, and it has to be additional. So that's what we look at when we look at impactful strategies. So to your question on what might be like the most relevant strategies to look at decarbonization. So for us, it has to start with ESG integration, but it's not sufficient. I think for investors to really help in moving towards decarbonization, they have to be active allocators and investors and participate in those climate solutions in order to reach net zero. So for us, most of the value will be in thematic or impact strategies where you're really looking to finance that net transition and invest into carbon capture, green hydrogen, all the most innovative climate solutions in order to reach net zero.